Thermals. Today we're going to talk about thermals. Have you ever seen birds flying in circles? I'm sure you might have. During daytime, the sun heats up the land unevenly, leading to the formation of warm air columns called thermals. Sun heats up land unevenly to form warm air columns called thermals. Birds fly in circles within thermals to gain altitude and travel long distances while conserving energy by not flapping their wings for a long time. This behavior is direct exploitation of natural convective currents. This is how birds fly in circles using thermals.